Hello students of class 10 friends. Now we will start the second part of the two stories of flying. This is the second part, the black aeroplane. And first we will discuss the introduction of the black aeroplane. This story is based on a surprising event of the narrator. Means the story is related to the surprise, the event of narrator. And once he was lost in the black clouds while he was flying his Dakota aeroplane to England. So the narrator explains that once he was flying an aeroplane in the sky, then he lost in the black clouds. His aeroplane name was Dakota 088, and in which he was coming from England. There was no chance of his survival. Then a miracle happened and a black aeroplane guided him to land. Due to black clouds, the narrator could not see near about his, and the narrator felt that there was no chance for self protection. But then a miracle happened. But just then a miracle happened there. The narrator saw a black aeroplane near about. He noticed that the pilot of black aeroplane helped him and guided him to tell the way, and thus he could save his life. But after landing, he could not find that aeroplane anywhere. So, in the guidance of the pilot of black aeroplane, the narrator could save his life. But after landing his aeroplane, the narrator became surprised to see that there was no any aeroplane, and with it he found that there was enough fuel. He did not have enough fuel in his tank. Who helped him to arrive safely? Means there was not enough fuel in the tank of aeroplane. Now the narrator's question was, who helped him to arrive with safely? So let's we start the summary of this story. First, author's flight to England. Once the author was in his Dakota aeroplane and the night was clear. Means we will know about the author's flight to England. Once the narrator was flying in his Dakota aeroplane. In the starting of flying, the night was clear and there was no clouds in the sky. The moon and stars were shining. It was 1 o'clock at night. Moon and stars were shining. It was the timing of night, 1 o'clock. And at this time he was flying his Dakota aeroplane over France. At that time the pilot was flying his Dakota aeroplane over the France country, and he was coming back to England from Paris. At present, he was thinking about his family. Means he was returned from Paris and come back to England. And at the returning time from Paris, he thought about his family. Means he missed his family members. So the narrator was much eager to see his family, means he was very excited to meet his family. And the problem of black clouds. The author was enjoying his flying without any problem. He switched on the radio and spoke to Paris control, means the pilot was flying his aeroplane with enjoy in the sky and there was no problem. The weather was clear. The pilot switched on, means started the radio and talked to Paris control, and he informed them that he was on his way to England, means he informed to the Paris control that he has come on the way of England. Talking to them After talking to them, he returned his plane 12 degree west, and he, after informing, he took a turn to the side of west. All was going well, but all of a sudden he saw black clouds just before him, means everything was going well according to the situation, but to come on the some distance on the way of England, he looked. The black clouds were spread before him. The black clouds were like a huge mountain. Paris was about 150 kilometers behind him. Means those black clouds seemed like a big black mountain, and the pilot has left behind the Paris 150 kilometer, and he knew that he could not fly up and over the clouds, means the pilot guessed that he could not fly over the black clouds because he had not enough fuel, to fly north to south side. An instrument stopped working. At last he decided to fly his aeroplane straight through the black clouds, means he checked the instrument of aeroplane, but it's are not working properly, and in last, when there was not left any way, then he decided to fly his aeroplane straight in the black clouds. Although it was very risky, yet he did it. Although the pilot has taken a risk and he could not see anything in the black clouds, means he could not see anything and he started to go in the black clouds.